How to build trust in your child. Life is massive game of perceptions and reactions. Firstly, show massive interest in them. This helps them to support and get connected effectively. Kids try to open up and ask questions. They feel that my parent is just like me. Build that connection. Show them that I am interested in all your problems, or I'm there to listen to you. I'm there to help you. Whatever minor issues are, I'm there with you. If that supportive nature is seen from a parent, the child is automatically inclined towards him or towards the parent. Secondly, get to know them, their life and experiences they went through. Now you'll see things in their perspective. You get into their life, you get into their world and see things to be as they want. Automatically, we start thinking in their perspective. When we do that, the child gets a bonding, a kind of bonding that is never detached. Thirdly, compliment them in all possible ways. Unconditionally show them that love, appreciation. Appreciate them as much as possible. Make them feel worthy and important in life. Make them feel that any small deed do not go waste. It is helpful in one way or the other. Make them feel that any tiny deed that they do reflects their behavior. Fourth point is make them feel that they are trusted a lot. Build that trust in them. If they feel we are genuinely interested in what they say, what they do, what they feel, there are greater chance of having that bonding. I hope you like this. Do share it with your friends if you like it.